shell scrap object. This file type was notoriously used to hide viruses in Windows 98 SAR XP. Windows 10.11 does not support it. Delete it immediately. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. It's dangerous. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading SHS file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. The SHS file type is part of the uncommon file group. The Microsoft scrap file structure defines how elements are placed. The SHS shell scrap object file is a legacy system file used by Microsoft Windows, up to Windows XP. It functions as a small hidden file containing OLE, object linking and embedding data, often created by dragging text or images from an application. Developed by Microsoft, the format is closed source and was exploited by malware. Its design is obsolete. The file is inaccessible and should be deleted on modern Windows systems as it poses a security risk. Commonly, SHS files use Microsoft Word developed by Microsoft Corporation. Full control over the file's proprietary features requires a dedicated application. Windows cannot interpret the contents, so specialized or archival tools are often needed. This is the first step toward access. Right-click your SHS file, then select Open With. Try Microsoft Word if you have it. If not, select any program from the list. The goal is to find one that reads the format. If you still cannot open your SHS file, that is okay. The good news is that file opening failures usually follow a pattern. You have one of three problems. I've put together a short list showing the cause and the simple check. First, use drag and drop. The file is not meant to be opened directly. Drag and drop the SHS file into a Microsoft Office document, e.g. Word Excel. Next, check Windows version. The feature is disabled in newer Windows versions due to security risks. Use an older compatible Windows version. Finally, scan for virus. The file format is often used by malware. Run a full system virus scan. When every installed app fails to open the SHS file, the only practical next step is a specialized tool designed for resistant formats. It's worth trying. File Magic is the secret weapon for a reason. Its powerful feature set includes instantly viewing the raw contents of the SHS file, even if Windows misidentifies the extension. Get your copy now at filemagic.com. I'll see you in the next technical deep dive, like the video if you want more file format fixes. I look forward to seeing you on the next one.